Guys, I've been gone for a few days, but I'm back. So we're going to give you a quick lawn update. I haven't really been able to do much as far as getting out to spray weeds and everything. It's the middle of September, about halfway through, so we're getting pretty close. We're still dry, and we haven't watered this grass in 3 days, so I want to show you what it looks like real quick. So right over here we have a patch of doveweed. It's not bad. We got a little bit of like kalinga or some nutgrass. But notice how nice and lush and green the yard looks. It's looking really good for being the middle of September. This is because I watered it real good about 3 days ago, and it's made a huge difference while everybody else's grass is just all burned up. You can see right now we've got a little bit of nutgrass. I just haven't been able to get out here and treat this stuff, but hopefully this week I'll be able to get out here and get some stuff done and work on getting this knocked out. So looking forward to seeing you on the lawn. Make sure to keep your lawn watered, keep everything healthy. Now is the time to continue on watering. Don't let it go. Stay strong. We got a few more weeks to push good growth and get everything pushed into the fall. Thanks. Bye.